2013 Ford Econoline handicap wheelchair conversion van for sale. Supreme Motors USA, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 46 years in business, 41,000 mile handicap van. This thing is immaculate. Check it out. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're happy to help. Text us to that number. 41,000 original miles. Look at that. Amazing, amazing condition. Braun UVL side entry, rear power folding bed. Look at this thing. Don't hesitate to call anytime. Wheelchair lift is right there, working, operating exactly the way it's supposed to. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors. Supreme Motors USA. Thank you.